Hi, I'm Scott Schwartz, the President of the Americas, Europe, and South Pacific region for Nu Skin Enterprises. Nu Skin Enterprises has made a commitment to be one of the most innovative companies in our industry. Our vision is to be the world's leading direct sales company by generating more income for you than any other company. One of the ways we continue to lead in innovation is by the method in which we compensate our partners in the business. Nu Skin Enterprises has pioneered many components in the wealth creation process. The sales compensation plan we're going to talk about now is another evidence of Nu Skin's commitment to be the leader in our industry. The compensation plan is very simple but innovative and highly rewarding. As a new distributor, there are 3 ways that you are going to earn commissions. The first step is getting started. First, you will earn fast start payments. These are payments that you will earn on introductory product packages sold both to customers and distributors. Second, you'll earn up to 30% profit on retail customer purchases. And third, you'll earn a 5% commission on the monthly sales of all the people that you personally introduce to the business and products. In the second step of the Nu Skin Enterprises sales compensation plan, we begin the process of leadership development. Once your sales organization has achieved a minimum benchmark, you automatically begin the process of qualifying as an executive leader. In the second and third months, the qualification standards increase incrementally. This is where you begin to enjoy the leverage benefits of the unique sales compensation plan. As an executive, you will earn an executive bonus of 9 to 15% based upon the volume of your circle group organization. Also, as an executive leader, you can begin to participate in the wealth maximization components of the plan. In Step 3, we introduce you to the Wealth Maximizer, which is a totally unique and innovative tool that ensures you are earning the maximum commissions possible based upon the strength of your organization. As you can see from the slide, the Wealth Maximizer is divided into 2 segments. This revolutionary component of the plan is where we actually calculate your commissions in 2 different ways to ensure that you're receiving the maximum payout possible. In the early phases of your business building efforts, you will most likely be paid on the Volume Maximizer side. As your organization matures over time, you will move to the Depth Maximizer, automatically ensuring that you're receiving the maximum commissions possible. The beauty of the Wealth Maximizer is that you'll see in your commission statement each month both the Volume Maximizer and the Depth Maximizer calculations, and you'll be paid the higher of the 2 amounts. Let's take a look at a Wealth Maximizer commission run using US dollars. As you can see from this example, we're looking at an organization of a relatively new Ruby executive. This particular leader has 4 breakaway executives, which we call first generation or G1 executives. These are people who have been introduced to the business and who have also achieved executive status. 2 of those executive leaders also sponsored additional breakaway executives, referred to as Generation 2 or G2 executives, creating a total number of 6 breakaway executives in the Ruby Executives organization. The Volume Maximizer calculates this organization's commissions in the following format. As you can see, the Ruby Executives organizational volume is 3,000 points, so an executive bonus of 10% for $300 will be earned. Additionally, because the volume is at least 3,000 points, the Ruby Executive also qualifies for an extra executive bonus of 5% for $150, bringing the executive bonus total to $450. Now, this step represents only one step in the Volume Maximizer calculation. Now, because this Ruby executive has 4 breakaway executives on his G1 level, the Ruby will be paid 10% on their total GSV for a total of $1,200, bringing the Volume Maximizer calculation to $1,650. As you can see from this example in the slide, the Depth Maximizer calculation of that very same organization is $1,200. Therefore, because the company is committed to pay the maximum amount of commissions possible, this Ruby executive would earn $1,650 on the Volume Maximizer side. Over time, as more leaders become executives within the organization, the Depth Maximizer will play a more critical role in achieving the maximum commissions possible. Another benefit of being an executive leader is the opportunity to participate in the Mega Performance Bonus Pool. This opportunity allows you to share in the commissionable revenue of the Americas, Europe, and South Pacific region. In order to participate in the Mega Performance Bonus Pool, you need to have a minimum number of shares. Once you achieve the minimum share requirement, you can begin to earn a portion of the monthly commissionable revenue of all participating markets in the region. This is a wonderful opportunity for you and your leaders to experience the benefits of growth throughout the region. In summary, Nu Skin Enterprises' innovative sales compensation plan is made up of 3 powerful sections. The Getting Started step, which is designed for new distributors. The Leadership Development step, which qualifies you as an executive. And the final step, as an executive leader, you experience the true benefits of wealth maximization. As you look at these 3 steps, the most important thing you see is that Nu Skin Enterprises is committed to provide you with the maximum amount of commissions possible, living up to our vision to be the world's leading direct sales company by generating more income for you than any other company. Now, if you have questions about the Nu Skin Enterprises sales compensation plan, you can contact your local distributor support representative or account manager. They can provide you with all the necessary information to maximize your commissions with Nu Skin Enterprises. We look forward to partnering with you on your journey to success.